So let's make this table more colorful with the bgcolor attribute. So in the table tag, I'm gonna write the bgcolor attribute, bgcolor. Then I'm gonna give a value which is orange. Save the file. You can see the color of our table is orange. And if you want to set a color for the table row itself, then you can give the bgcolor attribute to this table row. So inside this table row opening tag, I'm gonna write the bgcolor attribute, bgcolor. Then the value would be sky blue. Save the file. You can see the color of the table row is sky blue. Then I'm gonna write the bgcolor attribute here also, and here the color would be, let's say, gray. Save the file. You can see this table row is in gray color. I'm gonna copy this attribute and paste this in this tr tag. Let me write here light gray. Save the file. You can see this February month row is in light gray color. I'm gonna paste this here also, and let's say it is gray. Save the file. You can see the March month row is in gray color. Let me create another table row. So copy this, and after this tr tag, paste that. Make this serial to 4. The month name would be April, and the expense would be $130. Save the file. You can see we have another table row. Now this is okay actually, but let's say you want that this serial numbers data cell should be in sky blue color too. So for that, in the th tag, which contains the decimal number 1, write the bgcolor attribute and give a value sky blue. Save the file. You can see this 1 data cell has background color of sky blue. So I'm gonna copy this attribute and paste in this table heading, and in this th tag, and in this th tag. Save the file. You can see this serial number data cell has sky blue color. You can set this attribute to td tags as well. So I'm gonna copy this, and for example, I'm gonna paste this in the $130 data cell. Save the file. You can see the $130 data cell is in sky blue color. Let me cut this because this does not looks nice, and save the file. You see the table kinda looks nice, but it will be great if the heading text have white color. So for that we have to use the font tag. So I'm gonna hit enter for a new line here, and before this serial number text I'm gonna write the font tag, and after serial number I'm gonna write the closing font tag, and here I'm gonna write the color attribute, and the color would be white. Save the file. You can see the serial number text is in white color. Let me make this pink. Save the file. Pink. This also does not look nice. We can make this green. Save the file. This is okay. Let's not waste time with just changing colors. Let's stick with this color, and I'm gonna copy this font tag, and here I'm gonna paste this. Let me cut this font tag, which is closing font tag, and paste after month text. Save the file. You can see the month text is in green color. Let me have some new lines. Then copy this font tag, paste here. Then after expenses text, I'm gonna write the closing font tag. Save the file. You can see the expenses text is in green color also. We can make the decimal numbers green as well. For that, I'm gonna have some new lines and paste the font tag before 1. Then after 1, I'm gonna write the closing font tag. Before 2, I'm gonna write the opening font tag also. And after 2, I'm gonna write the closing font tag. Before 3, I'm gonna write the font tag, and after 3, I'm gonna close the font tag. Let me have some new lines, and before 4, I'm gonna have the font tag, and after 4, I'm gonna write the closing font tag. Save the file. Now the decimal numbers are in green color too, so the table looks nice, you can say, but the colors are not that much great. You can research with the colors and use more beautiful colors. I just showed you with basic colors. So that's all for now. See you in the next one.